subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Oppo launched its new camera-centric phone under K-series in China called Oppo K11. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Oppo K11 features a tall 6.7-inch Full HD Plus OLED display, with up to 120 Hz refresh rate, and up to 1100 nits of peak brightness support. The screen is HDR10 Plus certified, and on the top, it is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 782G chipset, paired with Adreno 642L GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8 or 12 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, and 256 or 512 GB of UFS 3.1 storage, with microSD expansion support. As per the optics, the Oppo K11 sports a triple camera setup on the rear, that houses a 50-megapixel main camera, with Sony IMX890 sensor, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, with 112-degree field of view, along with the 2-megapixel macro lens, with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. For selfies, it has 16-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.4 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 13, based on ColorOS 13.1 skin on top, and it is equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 100 watts fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it includes VC heat dissipation system to keep the device cool in extreme conditions, and it also comes with Dolby Atmos surrounding sound system for better audio experience. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, NFC, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 162.7 by 75.5 by 8.23 millimeters, and it weighs around 184 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Oppo K11 has been priced in China for 8GB plus 256GB storage variant at 1,899 Chinese yuan, while the 12GB plus 256GB storage model is priced at 2,099 Chinese yuan, and the higher variant with 12GB plus 512GB storage option is priced at 2,499 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now up for pre-orders in the country in Moon Shadow Gray and Glacier Blue color options, and it is said to go on sale starting from August 1st. So, what do you guys think of this Oppo K11 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below. And stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.